An example of composition can be found in the context of a procure-pay process where we have to perform a check for the necessity of the purchase, meaning that we check whether the purchase that is being requested is actually needed or not. And secondly, where we determine if making the purchase is compatible with the corresponding budget. Should the handover between these two tasks be taking too much time, we might consider merging these two approvals. Therefore, having a single process worker, a single decision maker, look both at the necessity of the purchase and at the budget, maybe trade them off and determine whether the purchase should be made or not, and thus approving it. An example of decomposition can be found in the context of a so-called make-to-order process. In a make-to-order process, we fulfill an order by actually manufacturing the product in a customized way for a specific customer. In other words, we manufacture specifically for one order. In such make-to-order processes, it is often the case that we have to start when we receive an order for a customer by preparing a quote. This is a rather thick task. It involves preparing a so-called bill of materials, meaning the list of materials that are required in order to manufacture the product that the customer is requesting, preparing a production plan, and then estimating the cost and the delivery time. These tasks might be performed by the same engineer, which is not necessarily very efficient because the engineer has to know both about preparing bill of materials and production planning, but also has to obtain quotes from the suppliers and estimate the cost and the delivery time all by himself. It might be more effective to have, on the one hand, an engineer specifically looking at preparing the bill of materials and preparing the production plans, and on the other hand, having a manager working out the costs of a given bill of materials and a production plan and getting the required quotes from the supplier. Two different people with specialized skills might be able to perform this combined piece of work more efficiently than a single one.